Set the front glass panel on a work table with flat surface facing down. Align the top and bottom tracks to the ends of the panel. Make sure the roller track, U, opens to the bottom for the bottom track, and opens to the top for the top track. Teflon block at the ends of track is readily to receive the mounting screws. Attach the track to the stile with 2 screws. Set both screws in place, then tighten them alternatively. You can use power drill. Make sure both screws are tight. Repeat the same procedure for the other tracks. Set the clip to the glass. Screw the clip to the track. If the pre-drilled hole doesn't line up right, you can drill a new pilot hole with 3 30-second drill bit. Cut the L seal to the correct length. The L extends inward.